Welcome back to day 3, Final Cut Pro for Beginners, a 30-day foundational video series. Your project is set up, but it's empty. Getting your video clips into Final Cut Pro is the next step, and it's easier than you think. The simplest method is drag and drop. First, make sure you've selected the event in your FCP browser where you want the media to go. We'll choose our footage event. Now, just select the video files from your Finder window and drag them directly into the browser. That's it, they'll start importing. The second method gives you more control. Go to File, Import Media, or use the shortcut command +I. This window lets you navigate your computer to find your files. On the right side, you'll see some important options. For beginners, the most important one is Copy to Library. Make sure this is checked. It ensures all your files are safely stored within your FCP library file. Select your clips, click Import Selected, and you're all set. Your media is now in Final Cut Pro and ready to be edited. Your clips are in. Now it's time to get them on the timeline and start building your story. In the next video, we'll learn how to navigate the timeline with ease. Like and subscribe so you don't miss day 4.